Hello, viewers. You are going to a short lecture on what is affiliate marketing. Before we go ahead, we must try to understand first the concept of marketing. Most of the people did marketing with selling. Selling is different and marketing is different. Marketing relates to conceptualizing in the head of the buyer the concept of the product. That is what is marketing. So, first of all, we need to understand what is marketing. Selling is something like hard pushing a product. We need not hard push it. We have to simply understand that the concept of the product or the application of the product, whether it is in the form of whether it is in a physical form or it is in the form of a concept, it must be conceptualized in the head of the buyer. He should be able to mentally relate to it. This is understand. I am sure most of you must be aware of it. You are all sales and marketing professionals. Now, the latest trends in the world market are the introduction of online marketing. People single handedly are developing businesses and trying to develop affiliates worldwide through online technology and communications for promoting their products or services. If you go through webs, you must have seen there are plenty of webs. Now we have masked webs also. The first page, which introduces you to some kind of service or product, but when you dig further into it, what you find is that the that the that the product is priced. Later, you see, once the seller has achieved one stage, and when you dig further into the product, then he introduces the price relating it to some extra services. Now, even another concept that has come out is even with large manufacturers. For example, I can give you in fashion industry that people, let us say we are manufacturing apparels. Now, in many parts of the world, I have my brands and my representatives. In many parts of the world, I have many franchisees that are promoting my products. In many parts of the world, I have hardcore salespeople or people those who have a distribution channel, and I am manufacturing their brands within my units. So there are various ways of going about, of working out affiliates. A business has many facets. We have a financial area, we have a management area, we have an HR area. Now, we can have, when we start outsourcing, we can even have affiliates to man different areas of our organization or of our unit. Online businesses are such now. We have such softwares available. From long distances, we can man or monitor the operations of a manufacturing unit. we can man the operations of a trading unit, we can man the operations of a service unit. The possibilities of business are umpteen in the world. An individual can, as on date, tap the world markets for any kind of products. For example, I'll give you my example. I am an author of a book. Now I have put it into a distribution channel through a publisher as an e-book or as a for paper printing also, or executing, authorized him to execute any kind of language contracts. Now automatically the e-book has traveled most of the computers of the world. In any part of the world, it stands a chance to be ticked and to be clicked and downloaded. Now all those computers, or at least my publisher, like we are two, publisher and me are partners in progress, and all those computers are our affiliates. They are promoting our product. They show the presence of our product in their on their screens. So whenever the publisher attaches the book with some kind of promotional scheme, still you stand a chance to sell it. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing has certain advantages. You don't have people, it cuts people all the time slapping you bills. It somehow or the other cuts down your operational cost, and you can realize it uh, in many ways. When your operational costs of business are sliced, then probably your operation is superior. You are available to larger segments of business world. Most of the businesses nowadays create a website. You can see here, while every business starting out nowadays will first create a website and then head to social media to establish a. Not everyone will consider affiliate marketing as an opportunity at first. The goal of this ebook will be to show you the real potential of affiliate marketing and how developing a strategy of your own can help your profits soar and your business grow. We'll take an example of this lecture itself. Now, when I put it on, let us say YouTube or social media, which is not very difficult, probably I can do it from a desktop at my study. Now, once it is put into the social media, the webs are going to take this lecture to various students, various management students, various MBAs, various BBAs all over the world. Only I have to open it to the public. So now what happens is this media becomes my affiliate. Media is then the operator that is promoting the product, my lecture. Maybe it is free, but then it is reaching out to millions of students all over the world. So this is what the social media becomes your affiliate. Maybe at later stages, when I have put across 50, 100, 200 lectures on different titles, probably there is going to be a segment, a large number of people, a large number of subscribers that are that shall turn out to be my affiliates. Again, those students are going to discuss it with their friends, with their colleagues. Again, I stand a chance, further my bell will be clicked. I again stand a chance that my channel will be subscribed. and the next lecture when I load, immediately it reaches all my subscribers. So, affiliate marketing is nothing, it is not restricted to merchant. It directly takes you to the customer, and that is what the latest trend is. If we take the example of various websites, here I'll take Amazon. Amazon is a website only that is receiving posts of merchants and the availability of the material, and at the same time receiving posts for the orders placed for those materials. Amazon is acting as a middleman, an information agency, but I think it receives millions of and is paid for its services. It has generated a large number of people employed in that business. We have, or they have worldwide delivery agents, booking agents, transporters, shipping agents. They are all affiliates. The business is growing on its own. Here are some figures. Approximately 15% of digital media industry's revenue now comes from affiliate marketing. So today, the digital media industry revenue is coming from affiliate marketing. Higher the number of affiliates, superior the market returns. I had started writing screenplays. In just 3 or 4 hours, I was introduced into the Hollywood market. The film producers, they know me well. I sent them my sample, it was received, it was accepted, it was commented upon. And very big people in that industry gave their remarks on the products. Because I write a particular kind of conventional screenplays, so it was discussed. Now the method that is being promoted by ISA, the International Screenwriters Association, is different, and the way I projected, I go about cutting down on the production costs is different. Over 50% of top affiliate programs fall into 4 categories. Now, most of the affiliate marketing related products, they belong to 4 categories: fashion, sports, health, beauty, and travel. Now, here, if you look into it, the production area are first 3: fashion, sports, and health. Now, all over the world, you must have seen that health products have taken over. In many of the Asian countries, when economies were open, the focus of most of the governments was to improve upon the health of the worker groups. There were the certain advantages given to insurance agencies. Insurance business or social security business was allowed to grow. It was because of health. And then we come into sports, cricketing. From that Gary Cooper's series, the expansion of sports had started taking place, and the expansion was such that it was well received by the people. It somehow or the other created a spike on the graph as far as production of sports products were concerned. New brands came in, they made a dent. Sports from playing turned into an industry. It related to event organizing, and even organizing also had grown. So many of the businesses, these were large industries with which small businesses had grown. Top factors for choosing an affiliate program are product or service relevancy, affiliate program reputation, and affiliate network or tracking platform. So, how you are tracking? Again, I'll take you back to Amazon. The moment a bill is raised, the very that minute the process of the dispatch starts. The moment the transaction is executed, and at every minute, at every delivery point, at every stage, the buyer is well informed about the movement of the products. If we go into bigger industries, we have indenting business, indenting agents all over the world. They buy a product that is lying in Hong Kong, they sell it in England. They buy a product in European markets, they sell it in Asian markets. It is all on web and through affiliates. Two types of affiliates, the permanent affiliates and the temporary affiliates. Temporary affiliates are those affiliates with them we make single transaction, and the permanent affiliates are those with them we are repeating our transactions time and again. Although all indenting transactions are squared off there itself, the most common places to find new affiliate programs include information on the merchant's website, searches on Google, and affiliate network websites. So, once you are affiliated with, how big is your research, how good is your research, and the kind of affiliate you have tracked for your business. If I am making videos, let us say in US market we have Esmond Group. Esmond Group, if I have some footage to offer, is probably going to market it worldwide. They are known for it. They will be dealing with 20 or 30 media channels. Beyond that, if they don't have a channel in a particular area, they will buy temporary contracts, and if they see the potentiality, the product will be projected to the people or masses of the world. So, what is the size of your affiliate? What are the resources of your affiliate? Even if you are a single person, if you are affiliated to a big or a large or a resourceful organization, then you stand a better chance to perform in the world market. It will create your way, it will carnate a way for you. So, it is quite advantageous to have good affiliates operating for you in the world market. Ultimately, your product is going to catch up. With the power of social media, content publishers, and a plethora of digital media really available at the fingertips, today's consumers are more educated and shopper savvy than ever before. We are passing through an era of consumer durables. There has been a tremendous growth of packaging industry in last one decade. If you see, there has been a turn in the quality of packaging. The quality of packaging has facilitated superior production and superior technologies, and then the superior distribution channels. So, this is how it has happened. The today's buyer, the today's shopper is more savvy, is more educated, does quite a bit of research before taking buying decisions. Because if I am spending money, even if I am getting a technology financed, I would like to do that research first. Now, where they don't only think in terms of margin money, they also think in terms of initial gestation of research period before a buying decision is taken for an industrial product or a technology. When it comes to purchasing decision, price point had the most influence on a millennial, outweighing recommendations from a friend, brand reputation, and product quality. Now, here he has taken four factors. 62% is the price. Price is the influencing factor. 55% buyers have related to brand reputation. Okay, I am willing to spend that additional money if I am getting a brand of my choice, because he thinks his end product will be related to the brand of technology also. So, in many of the cases, we have seen that brand technologies are related, that how this second line of production has been carried out, and products quality. Even if we go in construction industry as well, again, what is the kind of group, what are the architects, what are the engineers, what is the material being used, how it has been designed, what are the logistics values the project is relating to. So all these things are taken into consideration before a purchasing decision is made. Mobile devices were crucial for millennial mothers to search for the best possible price of a product. So, this is here again customers related to download coupons, or I don't think so in case of mobiles anybody has ever thought of after sale service, because most of the products now, the consumer durables also, especially in electronic industry, are throwaways. But when we go to Asian markets, there are scrap markets also. There are markets of spurious products also. There are markets of some kind of weak technologies as well. A large number of population survives on that. That cannot be ignored, or it cannot be completely wiped out. But as a nation, as if you ask an economist, if an economy has to survive, we have to have superior survival means. We have to have a superior standard of living, and we have to have a superior way of how we look at life or lifestyle. So, these are some of the factors. More than 30% of affiliate generated sales originate from a mobile device. There is no doubt about it. Convenience of operation. Most of the buyers, they take buying decisions and they relate that how conveniently a product is available. Too much of complication or complicatedness in the transactions may diffuse a customer. He may not be willing to buy it. Nearly 50% of affiliate referred traffic originates from a mobile device. Now, here again we need to understand, even if you have affiliates worldwide, we need to work out certain strategies. This you must have seen in at least mobile telephone industries, that every now and then a strategical change takes place as far as distribution of bytes is concerned or distribution of instruments is concerned. There are pockets where the marketing is weak, there are pockets where the marketing is very superior. There are markets where certain brands can hold the price, but there are markets where great undercutting takes place. A market is governed